It's 7:20 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona, getting ready to ride. This is suburban Phoenix, so the skies are not cloudy all day most of the time, but today they are. It's not terribly cold, but there's a chill in the air, and I can smell rain. I hope it doesn't rain. I'm going to try to go for a short ride. Come on along with me. The forecast doesn't say rain, but I've been caught in the rain before believing forecasts, so I'll hope for the best. Let's go! Although this neighborhood was originally built for cars, they have put in a few things that are bicycle friendly. I'll show you. Here's a half-mile street. The speed limit here is, I think, 25 or 30, and drivers slow down, and usually they don't even want to take these half-mile streets, so they tend to be pretty empty after people have left their houses. And we're coming up to a school. There'll be a crossing here, and the drivers actually do respect the children walking by and the people on bicycles here. Not like the main streets. This is a safe place to bike. There's the symbol for the bicycle lane. It reminds you to wear a helmet. Here's something that I've been noticing more and more. See the green stripes and the dot 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 shows that it's a shared space between cars and bikes, so watch out, cars and bikes. And at these low speeds, it seems to be okay. Doesn't really make me nervous. Not like on the main streets. I want to show you that. Hang on a little bit. We're coming up to 67th Avenue, which is a main street. The bike lane just disappears, so what I do is I go up on the sidewalk, which is perfectly legal and perfectly safe. The bike lane for this main street is fairly new, so people are getting used to it. So I stay up on the sidewalk until I see a nice area with a straightaway, and then I'll go onto the bike lane. Hang on, here we go. It's really just a beginning for Phoenix to start doing this. That little white stripe next to those cars going by isn't really very safe. It would be nice if there was some sort of like barrier, but even at some of the speeds that these cars are going, if they hit a barrier, they'd go over it real fast. Okay, hang on. Here's the thing I was talking about before, where you see the green and then the dot dot dot, which means you kind of have to look out because someone might be turning into that turn lane. And that's pretty much the end of the straightaway for me. So as I get closer to the intersection, I'm going to look for a way to get up onto the sidewalk safely. Okay, here I go, nice and slow. And I'm signaling the person in that car, I'm squeezing by, they're going to back up for me. Thank you. And I'm up on the sidewalk. Here I go. In theory, you could stay in the bike lane all the way up through the intersection, but it looks a little bit dodgy to me, so I'm not going to do it myself. Like I say all the time, people driving are doing the best they can. Sometimes it's just not very good. But my dad taught me defensive driving back when I was a teenager, and I still remember to do it. Thanks, Dad. And believe me, there are some really, really good drivers out there. I see them all the time. Give them a big smile and a wave. I'm doing this for fun, and I want to get home safe and sound, see my dogs, eat some lunch. This is a blind intersection, so I appreciate it when people can see me. I go real slow here. If I come around the corner, I can see that this car can see me, but I'm going to go ahead and give them the right of way, and I'll take what I call the scenic route. This way. Well, this is an interesting neighborhood. Deciduous trees, which are kind of rare in the Phoenix area. And it's a reminder that it's winter. How about that? Well, thanks for taking a ride along with me this morning. I'll see you next time.